This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and waiting at least 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. This prevents damage and false symptoms. Once done, move the console to a flat, well-lit surface and remove all cables. This gives you full access. Inspect vents and the exterior for obvious dust buildup or broken plastic, and check screws and the warranty sticker so you know whether opening is allowed. These steps set you up to diagnose the fan safely and avoid needless troubleshooting later. Now you open the case carefully, remove the indicated screws, and use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching. Once inside, focus on the fan assembly. Locate the fan connector on the board and ensure the cable is seated. Loose connectors often cause intermittent stops. Clean dust using compressed air with short bursts and a soft brush. Trapped debris or a displaced heatsink can bind blades. Spin the fan by hand to assess bearing health. If you feel roughness or wobble, that explains failure and points to replacement. If the fan is damaged or bearings are worn, replace it with an OEM or known good high-quality unit. Make sure the connector seats firmly and screws are secure. Reassemble the case, reconnect only essential cables, and power on. Listen for the fan's initial spin-up and steady sound. Uneven revving means something else still obstructs it. If the fan still doesn't work, verify power supply voltages and test with another board if available, or get professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: swap the fan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.